Hi guys, welcome to Short Nail Life. Here on this channel I do nail hauls, nail tutorial, all kinds of nail content. So if that is the thing you like to watch, please consider subscribing. But let's just jump in. As you can already see, Maniology sent over a ton of products for me to review and try. I do want to make sure I say that this is PR, but they're not paying me for my thoughts and opinion or anything like that. So all thoughts and opinions are my own. But with that being said, I am so excited to try this stuff out with you guys. So as you can see, that's what came in the mail. So to start off, they sent over a angled brush. So this is good for cleanup. I didn't think I was going to use it in today's video, but I did actually use it, and I'll tell you more about my opinion on the brush when I use it. But this is kind of what you do, is just clean off the side of the nail. Next up is the nail stamping starter kit. So everything is going to be fall Halloween based that I picked out from the website, because that is the season we're in, and I kind of need help in that department. If you're new here, I suck at Halloween. This is just not my season. So this year I'm gonna be on top of it, and I'm starting my fall Halloween content now so that I can have time to really truly plan sets, and it's gonna be easy with these stamping plates. I feel like I already have a few ideas with this plate, and I'm kind of pointing at some of the things. Again, I'm not a Halloween person. I'm not a Halloween person, but I can see some sets with these plates. And here is the pamphlet it comes with, and it also has a QR code in here, just in case you want to screenshot it or anything. This is the scraper it comes with. I was trying to see how flexible it is. I'm usually used to the credit card size, so I was definitely intrigued to see how that one worked. And then this is the duo that comes in the kit. I do recommend getting a kit with at least a black, in my opinion, if you get a kit, because you're going to use black on everything. You need a good staple black. And when I saw it came with the Halloween kit, that's kind of what really motivated me and pushed me to get this kit, because you need black for everything, in my opinion. And here is the stamper. I again was intrigued by this stamper. I used to watch their lives, and they were always using this square stamper, and it motivated me to buy one, but I did not buy it from them. And the one I had, it was not successful with me. So I was super excited to try theirs out to see if there was a difference. Spoiler, there is. This one works perfectly. I have no issues with this. I feel like I will reach for this one, because I had no problems picking anything up off the stamping plate. So this is definitely a stamper I will go back to time and time again. Next up, they also sent me out the sticky base coat. I didn't expect to use this at all in today's video, but this is actually really brilliant. In all honesty, if you stamp, I usually have to put down a matte top coat to get my stamps to work on top of my gel. I use this. I just wiped off the tacky layer, use this, let it dry a little bit, and place the images down. Worked perfectly. So as you can see, I've already shown you the nail polish stamping kit that they sent out for me. It's called Grimm's Nightfall. It comes with these 6 beautiful dual chrome colors. They are so pretty. I had to think of the word dual chrome. I could not remember that for a second. And they also sent me out 2 extra stamping plates. Again, fall Halloween vibes. That's what we're going for right now, because that's what's coming up, and you guys love to see those sets. So here is another one I see a lot of potential with, and then this one as well. I'm gonna be so honest, I went on that website to look at their plates. They have so many. I was so excited to see all the stamping plates and all of the variety you could choose from. So if you didn't know, you can actually swatch the stamping polish on top of the lid of the stamping polish. That makes sense. Well, I'm gonna show you anyway. So that's what I'm going to do, and I was just showing you what I did to achieve that. I did take off that film, wipe my plate off with acetone before I even started stamping, and then I cleaned off the stamper with my lint roller. Now I'm just going to go through and swatch everything. This first color is called Mirror Mirror. It's not a dual chrome, it is a gunmetal silver. It is so pretty. It is hard for me to show you all of the colors in my lighting situation, but I hope you guys can see what they are. But I'm gonna try my best to explain it. This is Dearest Aurora, and you can't really see too well how it really transitioned on camera, but it is purple on both sides. Purple. It is so pretty. I definitely will be reaching for that color. This is brittle. It's blue. Again, you can't see all of the way it sparkles. It's so pretty. This is wolfish. I'm definitely going to be using this even in the Christmas season. I love this color. Next is glass slipper, another dual chrome. You can see the blue in it. I did mess up the swatch a little bit, but I really do love that color. Last is soulless. I forgot to show the bottom of the bottle. I want to correct myself. I said these are dual chrome, but some of these are dual chrome and some are metallic chrome like finish. They're so pretty. I do recommend these. I have not seen colors like this anywhere, so I'm super happy to have these in my collection. If you're interested in any of these products, I do have a link down in the description box that will take you to their website. I do have an affiliate link, so I can gain a commission if you do purchase anything. I do want to be honest about that, but you do not have to use the link if you don't want to. But definitely check out those polishes. They are so pretty. I loved everything I received, but let's just jump into the video. So to start off, please ignore that first nail if you saw that little flashing light. I painted it and I hated the color, so I'm going to take it off in a second. But I did mix up my own brown because I just could not find the brown shade I was looking for. I feel like I messed up with this brown because when it came to stamping on top of it, I felt like it didn't match the vibe that the rest of the nails had. So I should have did something else, but it's fine. It's done now. So as I told you guys, I was going to change the color of that pointer, and I did. And now I'm just putting my milky color on there, and then I'm going to cure this. So I'm just going to create a French on this pinky nail. And I found this is the best way to do it, is to point the nail toward me like this and to do it. And I would have been fine had I kept filling the nail in that way, but I decided to take the brush, and that's when I just messed up. So I had to go in with that cleanup brush. I like this brush, but for me personally, I'm not going to use it for cleanup simply because it's super soft. I think I can use it in nail art more, like to draw perfect lines to kind of edge around something, than to clean up for myself personally. But it is a good brush. I do recommend it. So next up, I am going to paint this nail, the soulless color. I know this is going to be controversial. I am going to mix polish, regular polish and gel polish. That color was so pretty on top of that black. I decided to do it on this nail as well. So I put black under there initially because I thought it would make it pop more, but it popped on the brown too, and they looked exactly the same. You wouldn't even know that they have different undercolors. So now I am stamping on top of the, I believe, middle nail. I messed up. I do show you what I did, but I reattempted this nail several times. I'm not used to layered stamping. If you watch my videos, you know I don't do layered stamping, which is what drew me to this in the first place, is because I don't do it. So I'm going to have to practice more off camera, but I redid this several times to line this up perfectly. I even left this in so you guys can see I kind of took my time, and this did not dry on me. I did have like one of the swatches dry on me, but all I did was press it down and wiggle it and hold it for a few more seconds. It still got on the top of the swatch bottle. So you do have a little bit of time to play with this polish, but again, it's polish, it's going to dry. So don't take too much time, but I did have like workable time with it. I did do another layered stamping on the pinky. This one turned out perfect. I love it. I thought it turned out really cute. I'm going to go ahead and top coat all of the nails now. I really wanted to do matte in today's set, but I thought the chrome would look better with it shiny, which I could go back in and matte out the pinky and the middle nail. I might do that. But on the ring finger, I felt like I wanted some swirls with some glitter on it. So that's what I did. The top coat is cured. However, it was not fully cured. So the glitter did get into the nail. And I think it just enhanced it more. It didn't really take away from the look at all. I think it turned out really pretty. But yeah, I think I am going to go back in and matte out that middle and the pinky nail. So if the thumbnail looks different, that is why. So I did want to talk to you guys about the products, how I really felt about them. I'm just going to be honest, I love them. I saw nothing wrong with them. They were easy to use. I didn't have any issues. I saw the layer stamping. I was the problem, and I just need to get better at it. So yeah, I really recommend them. If you ever wanted to try them out, go ahead and try them out. But I just want to say thank you guys for joining me. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I make new videos twice a week. I want you guys to have an amazing day. Bye.